Hi, it's Amelia from Coveya and I'll be talking to you about the spare parts we hold in stock and the service and maintenance package that we offer. As we all know, Christmas is a very stressful time of the year and it's just around the corner, which is why Coveya are here to help you get ready for the Christmas rush. We have parts on shelf ready for next day delivery and in even some cases, same day delivery. That's more often than Santa. We hold a large stock, which you can see behind me, in our warehouse in Bristol. We also offer a service and maintenance package to ensure that your conveyors are up and running without disrupting your project or services. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to speak to one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.